Today is May 3. Kakatapos ko lang mag-swimming, hence the wet hair. Nasa Vermosa ako ngayon. If you can see, guys, I have a very exciting news kasi kakabalik ko lang ng swimming. It's my second weekend today. 7 months akong nawala, and yung program ko last year was more on free diving and survival. So ngayon lang ako like nag-aaral talaga ng mga strokes and styles. And guess what? Pinayagan ako ng coach namin na sumali sa upcoming aquathlon! Today is May 3 and the event will be on May 31. So I have like what? 3 weeks? Teka, anong math? Teka, 31 minus 3, 31, 32. So I have like 714. So I have like 4 weeks to prepare for it. Good thing is, walang time limit yung aquathlon na yun. Pero, sana magawa ko siya successfully. Sana maging okay lahat. That's why I'm filming this, to film my experience. So, yeah. So, today is the first day. Hindi ko pa alam ano yung magiging like game plan ko for the next 28 days. Pero, let's see. So, yun lang. Cheers! Good luck to me! 26 days before aquathlon. Uniform. TK done. Winning.
24 days before aquathlon. Sinipon na nilagnat ako kagabi, so dapat magsiswimming ako today, but hindi kaya.
Just finished swimming. 21 days before aquathlon. Grabe yung pawis ko. Parang akong naligo. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko na kayang bumilis pa for the upcoming event. Ang goal na lang is matapos. At wag mag-last place sa age group ko. Oh my gosh. 2 weeks before aquathlon. weeks left before aquathlon. And basically, yung naging training ko lang is kung kailan ako may free time from work and from everything else. So, putol-putol yung naging training sessions, tapos parang 1 or 2 hours every other day lang, pero at least 'di ba nakakapag-practice ako kahit konti. So ang goal ko na lang is sana matapos ko siya nang hindi ako yung last sa age group ko, kasi I don't think bibilis pa ako sa swimming at sa takbo dahil alam ko na kulang ako sa training sa 1 month na yon. But yeah, I'm just happy na meron akong pinagkakaabalahan ngayon, and yun lang. Oh my gosh, 2 weeks, 14 days, May 31. Sobrang lapit na, guys. Okay, see you on my next update. Bye! Hi guys, today is May 19 and it's around 7 p.m. Naiwan ko yung watch ko, so di ko alam paano ako mag-train, but yeah, quick update. Done. Pagod. Time check, it's 8:17 p.m. It's a Friday. 9 days before aquathlon. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Andito ako sa Vermosa, kakatapos ko lang mag-swimming. Parang 30-minute swim lang. Am I excited? Yes. Am I ready? I'm not sure, but definitely I am very looking forward to that race because it's something new for me. 1 month into swimming and nagganon na ako, so I feel happy for myself. So, yun lang. I think I have another swim with our coach on Sunday, and then, you know, lapit na mag-event, but good night. Bye. Hi guys, so today is May 24, Sunday. 7 days, 1 week before aquathlon. It's 9:12 a.m. Kakatapos ko lang mag-swimming. Naiiyak ako, bagal ko. Naiiwan ako lagi. Naiinis ako sa sarili ko. Parang, tama ba itong ginawa kong sumali ng aquathlon ng 1 month pa lang nagsiswimming? Anyways, wala naman akong magagawa. Naka-sign up na. Tatapusin natin to guys, whether I like it or not. Kasi ito na 7 days na lang. Ngayon pa ba ako titigil? Kung mabagal, edi okay. Kung puro stop, edi fine. Ang importante matapos ko siya. Oh my god! I did it! I did it! 500 meters non-stop! Good job, Jenny! meters on a 50-meter pool, and I'm still breathing. Oh my god, I'm so happy. have sipon, but we have to do it 2 days before Akatlan. Let's go. Look at the pawis. Hello guys, so today is Saturday and tomorrow is the event! Andito ako sa Vermosa. I'm here to pick up my race kit. May sipon pa ako. Ang lala pa ng sipon ko pero oh my gosh! We're almost at the end of this journey. So ayan. Kukunin ko lang yung race kit. Samahan niya ako. Let's go! So guys, nandito tayo sa Santoy Boarding to pick up the race. Ma'am Janine Dalmas. Ma'am, you have swimming. Good luck po. Thank you. Guys, we finally got our kit. Last day na ng 1 month preparation natin for this event. So I'm just hoping na matapos ko siya safely, no injury, and sana ma-enjoy ko siya. Because this is a very interesting and very new experience for me. So again, thank you guys for supporting, to those na umabot sa part ng video na to. Kasama ko kayo since day 1 ng journey ko, especially with swimming. So again, thank you so much for supporting me, everyone. I'll see you on the part 2 of this vlog for the race day vlog itself. So yeah, thank you. Thank you. Iisip ko kung magsiswimming ako kasi unang-una may sipon ako. Pangalawa, sobrang init. So, okay, so I decided to do a quick swim para na medyo masanay na ako sa araw. So, let's go! Just finished swimming! Our last swim is the personal best. Good luck! See you tomorrow! Overview of the transition area for tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Good luck, Janine. You can do it. Good luck. Bye. See you tomorrow.